this community?
Kasi I love talking to people. So, wala makakakit yung sarili ko na mag-enjoy kung kasabi ko din tao. So, siguro, maging way ka na ako na mag-succeed kung yan king obra akong ay ni.
Medyo masating yung training mo, Jollibee, eh.
Kasi tang confidence mo, makirap ka rin tao.
Edwin, if I were, for example, a fresh graduate or bisak talagang lumubking as medical representative, nanuing masanting one course na dapat. Ating ba, is there a course na particularly ating maragula chance para milub as medical representative?
Well, currently, alam ko ang mga pharmaceutical company, they just require a 4-year course.
For any course, not necessarily science courses.
Yes, in fact, there are plenty of medical representatives that are political science graduate, AB,
Business management,
nurses,
psych.
So,
yes, just about any course.
So, naning panto nanda? Anong hinahanap? For example, I'm a fresh grad, mag-apply ko as medrep in one of these very big pharmaceutical companies.
What are my chances? Nano yung dapat ating ko?
Ability.
Ability what?
Ability mo makisabi ka rin doctors.
So, it's down to personal.
Skills mo, communication
Communication
skills.
talaga.
Yes.
How about, matatrain kayo ba? Kasi akakit ko you are dealing with medicines, pharmacology. Kailangan baluyo la ring sakit. Kailangan baluyo ring dosage. Makanan kayo, makisabi ka rin doctors, nung alaka yung training, tungkol keng human anatomy, tungkol keng diseases.
Part siya ba yung training ita?
Yes. Part of our company, the policy, kailangan train ka. Lalo na rin ang products mo, you know your products well, the future and benefits of the product. So, dapat, balo may sabihan, ika rin doctors ito. Siyempre, challenge ka rin doctors na minsan din doctors mag-ask lang questions. So, dapat, by heart, balo may products mo.
So, it's like, itong first few months mo, it's like going back to school kasi. Do you have classroom for it?
Yes, when I started MedRep, I had a 3 weeks training that includes yung first part is the anatomy and physiology, and then after that you go to the marketing side naman. And then after that classroom training, you will undergo the on-the-job training.
So it goes without saying na era kayo ibulos hanggat alika right for the job. More or less you are talagang dinanda kayong classroom training baka tabalo yun naman isasabihan nyo. Kayo masyadong bagito, kaya na rin doctors.
Aluwa-luwa kasing klaseng company. Ako kasi ako nagsimula mag-train ko. So, kagad-agad akong binulos. So, may masa ko mo. I just read about the product. Yes. And after 5 months, ka rin train. So, itang dapat ang ability mo, itang skills mo, itang manang makakaupo-up ka rin naman.
So, karin lulubitan ng makanano kang ating kakaibang appeal.
Yes. Exactly.
Okay. Ako yung kutang ko uli-uli patad kitang medyo may back out ko Anyang, aside from the fact that I don't know how to drive. Kailangan talaga biyasa ka mag-drive, if you are going to be a medrep. It's a requirement, that you should be able, you should know how to drive. You are always on the road, Palagi, ing metong medrep, kaya nga dalan. How is it? Are you married, Pam?
Single.
Single. Edwin?
Married.
Married, okay. Kang Edwin pa mo, how difficult is it na at yung dalan?
I don't find it difficult.
Really?
Yes. Actually, I take it as an advantage that I am in field. Kasi sometimes, I have errands for my family. Like, for example, merong, may program sa school ang anak ko. Then, sometimes, makaka-attend pa ako kasi hindi i-start din yung mga clinic, especially if the program is 8 a.m. to 9 a.m. So, okay lang. But then, if you're in the office, syempre magbabandi class.
Aside from that, siguro, yun na, kung pwede kitang makatali lugar 8 to 5. Kakit may ba yung sarili mo ka rin kapataan?
Ali, kasi maging bored na ako kanta. Halimbawa, dalada ako yung office. Kasi lalawing oras. Unlike kini, kailangan lagi kang go. Kasi flexible yung time mo. Anywhere, dapat makago ka. Halimbawa, yung area ko, unlike Edwin, yung area na mo, Pampanga yan. The whole, actually part of Pampanga. Unlike me, Pampanga, Bataan, Zambales ko. Mangaras ko Zambales. So, dati, ka na akong kotse sa Pakayang Malan yun. Dapat naman kami ba't matutod ka rin. Yes, kaya na dapat.
Is that one reason at hanggang ngayon single ka pa?
Ali naman.
I cannot imagine how you can squeeze in your love life no makanyang kakarayo, pupunta lang.
Takalakapin time kasi flexible in time. Yeah.
Sorry, nagkamali na ako na naman.
Ako, papunta ata na kayong excite na ng Medrels. Pero, kaya nung makahirap ka na dakalakota, kay ba't yung personal life mo pa, o nung minsan rin,
Pressures
may minsan rin kaya mo doktor medyo,
Bastos.
ano naman basta, siguro,
Sorry.
siguro dakala obra, ayan, medyo atin lang kabusitan bagya. Ay,
Kabusit pa ako naman.
abalo tayo ng kay katamong bisita, kaya pa magbalik na puning personal.
Aminin mo man o hindi, marami na rin ang inyong pinagdaanan. Magkakasama sa anumang pagsubok at tagumpay. Kahit papaano'y napapawi ang sama. Nagpapaginhawa sa bawat yugto ng buhay. Dulot nito'y munting kaligayahan.